name is Adolphus, and I will be demonstrate the basic performance analysis in SQL Server using execution plan, missing index, recommendation, and SQL Server perform. To begin performance analysis to help you understand how efficient SQL Server process query. One of the most useful tools for this is the execution plan. An execution plan shows the steps SQL Server takes to retrieve data and help identify operations that might be slowing down performances. For my first example, I am querying the person address table in Avengers Work database. Before running the data query, I enable the actual execution plan by selecting include actual execution plan from the query menu or by pressing Ctrl N. By query searching for all addresses where the city is set up. When I executed the query SQL, okay, let me execute the query. Okay, so we are here. Let me execute the city. Okay, now we are the cities. When I execute the query, SQL Server generates the execution plan. Looking at the plan, I can see how SQL access the data. I also noticed a missing index recommendation. SQL Server is struggling that creating an index on the city column might improve the performance. The execution plan also displays the estimated subtrain. So next I created the recommended non-clustered index on the city column. After creating the index, I ran the subquery again. When I compare the new execution plan with the previous one, I can see that the estimated subtrain cost has decreased. This indication that SQL Server can retrieve the data from the official. So, like right here, after I created this, and then we selected here to re-execute. So let's see here, execution plan has changed. So for my second example, I created a person table and search for a record where the last name is Smith. Again, I execute query with the actual execution plan with enable SQL Server provide another missing index recommendation. That time, a recommendation suggests creating an index on the last column. I created the suggested index and returned the query similar to the first example. The estimated subcost decreased, showing improved query performance. So now let's execute this. Smith. Put the execution plan. As you can see here, execution cost plan. As you can see, the sub tree cost. So this happened after I created the non-clause index. Okay, in summary, this assignment helped me understand how execution plan reveal the internal operation of SQL Server, how machine index recommendation can improve query performance, and how SQL Server profiler can be used to monitor and troubleshoot database activity. Together, these tools provide valuable insight into data performance and help administrator optimize SQL Server environment. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.